The 2010 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Leather interior group. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.